Hello world, here is Jacob Stravinsky back with you and my online trading, and right in here we have some great moment for trading cryptocurrency, standard currencies, I'm sorry, because we are trading crypto during the weekends, and there is an exact reason why we do that. And right in here we are waiting for some huge wave up or down. We don't really need to predict anything. We need to be patient and to wait for an exact wave up or down. And here we go. And here we go. So the direction was down, and you will see exactly with your own eyes that the direction doesn't lie. So we have seen that high, very hard move down, and this is why we were able to catch on this level the currency which was going down and the price which was going down. And right in here you can see that everything is fine and everything is so much predictable within these movements that you were able to see with your own eyes that we had to be exactly at the exact time, at the exact date on the platform to choose to pick the exact currency we are waiting the move with, and it will be successful. So once again, if you don't really understand what I'm doing, if you don't really trust your strategy, if you don't really understand how to arrange the stable trading, please give me a message. The links for my Facebook and Instagram are below this video, and I will definitely give you some nice, great tips for your trading, at least some basic ones that will make your trading as stable as you can see in my videos. So once again, the links for my Facebook and our community are below. From the Instagram and Facebook are below this video. Is free of charge. I will be happy to answer any of your questions as a community leader. And so definitely it's a good chance for you to join our community. So thank you so much for your attention, and have a great day. Thank you so much. And here we go. Here is very nice moment. One more moment I couldn't lose, and you will see that. So it was with the price decreasing with this currency, with the currency pair Euro USD. So it was a kind of a huge, nice moment for the downtrend trading, and you will see that one more trade will be successfully won. So the main idea is to understand the perfect moments, how to enter the market. And here we go. The second trade is positive, and it was a cool moment to catch. So thank you so much once again for your attention. It was me, Jacob Stravinsky, with you. Contact me. The links for my Facebook and Instagram are below this video. I will be happy to help you with any tips or any answers about the trading. It's my kind of a big hobby, and I love your positive feedbacks. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for your attention. It was me, Jacob Stravinsky, with you. Have a great day and have a great evening. Thank you so much. See you.